Hi everyone, welcome to SIR classes. Today in this video we have to construct a rhombus based in which given BE equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET equal to 6 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here the line BE equal to 4.5 centimeter. So this is 4.5 centimeter, and drawing line ET equal to 6 centimeter. So this line 4.5 centimeter and this line 6 centimeter, and this is BE and here ET. Now first we have to draw here the line ET equal to 6 centimeter first. So putting the scale here and now drawing here a line of length 6 centimeter and taking here point E and here T. Now taking the length BE equal to 4.5 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point E and drawing a arc here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and drawing an arc here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So intersect here and here also. So taking here point B and here S. Now joining first B and E, then joining B, T, then joining S and T, last joining S and E. So this is 6 centimeter diagonal and this side 4.5 centimeter, this also 4.5 centimeter. So all the side are equal, so 4.5 centimeter. So therefore BEST best is a rhombus with diagonal ET equal to 6 centimeter and all equal side equal to 4.5 centimeter. So here BE equal to ES equal to ST equal to BT equal to 4.5 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks.